In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom inquiry form to your WooCommerce store in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to engage with customers directly from your product pages, making it easy for them to ask questions and get more information about your products. So, let's dive right in. First things first, head on over to wordpress.com. You'll find that this platform has everything you need to build your website, including a powerful back-end system that's perfect for managing a WooCommerce store. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, your next step is to log in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to register by following the simple on-screen instructions. Upon logging in, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. It's the control center for your website where you manage all your site's essential functions, including plugins. Now, direct your attention to the menu on the left and click on Plugins. This section is where you can enhance your site's functionality with a plethora of add-ons. Once you're in the Plugins section, go ahead and click on Add Plugin. This is your gateway to discovering powerful tools like the one we'll install today. In the search bar, type in Product Enquiry for WooCommerce. This plugin enables you to create a simple, easy-to-use inquiry form that integrates directly into your product pages. After you've searched for the plugin, it should appear in the list of search results. Go ahead and click on Product Inquiry for WooCommerce. This action will take you to the plugin's details page where you can check reviews, screenshots, and detailed functionalities. But for now, let's keep our focus on getting it installed. With the plugin page open, move forward by clicking on the Install button. The installation process is automated and usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's installed, the button will change, allowing you to activate the plugin. Click on Activate to enable it for your WooCommerce store. Congratulations! You have just added a custom inquiry form to your WooCommerce site, making it easier for potential buyers to reach out with questions about your products directly. This feature not only boosts your customer engagement, but also helps in converting inquiries into sales by offering immediate support. Thank you for watching and following along with this quick tutorial. By adding a custom inquiry form, you're one step closer to running a responsive and customer-friendly WooCommerce store. Be sure to explore all the functionalities of the new plugin and adjust the settings to suit your business needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your online store.